So are you buying the records or not?
No, I was gonna put them back for you.
What did you,
Around 28.
what, 30?
Yeah.
What did you say?
25.
Yeah.
Bill 28.
Thrifting ain't easy. I'm feeling creepy. Comping diapers on my eBay app.
Oh, she got her trophy.
Gotta bake cookies. Have to measure my ingredients for cookies.
Make sure she didn't use soap in that thing. Because I did that one time. I drank out of that because it had all them marks on it, and I thought that was the cute thing, and boy did I get sick. I was probably 6 years old, and I remember that. I had to drink out of that measuring cup, and that was her laundry detergent measuring cup. And I filled it full of water, and boy did I get sick.
Oh, Lordy.
There's a good craftsman pitchfork there.
Well, I don't do much pitching anymore.
Yeah. You know what they call a mason that mixes his mortar with a pitchfork, don't you?
No.
A mortar forker.
Yeah.
A mortar forker. Anything you gotta have? She got a little weed whacker. There's a hedge trimmer. Here's another weed whacker.
Yeah. Yeah.
Do you know anything about these?
She made them.
She made them.
Yeah, they're, and you know, she might take a deal on it, but you know, pick out the ones you want, or say, hey, I want to do the whole stack, you know. So we gotta get them out there, but they're all handmade, yes.
What was her name? Sandy?
Yeah, Sandy Herring, yeah.
Okay. My goodness, she was quite an artist with the
Yeah.
selling.
Yeah, they're all framed and.
Yeah, I see that.
Yeah, I mean, you know, you negotiate with the lady in the side there.
Looks like she entered them in some kind of a contest.
They probably were. Maybe the state fair. She was from St. Louis.
Oh, she was.
Yeah, she came here 4 or 5 years ago, and then developed the brain cancer, and
Oh my.
it took her real quick.
Oh, yeah.
For all four of those plates? $12 just for those 4 plates? Yeah.
Like the other two that go with it that are not there, but there's a set of 6 usually, but
You want to throw in?
you don't have the other 2, do you?
No,
That's all there.
$2. Oh, for $2. Okay. Now we're up to 12. So we're gonna do 12 of those?
Well, I got a box there.
Oh, that's
Okay,
I'll be right back.
Okay, yeah, I'll be right back.
Well, I'll be right back.
So the 12, Beth?
Careful, you need help?
It's great. You reach for those, you bring them away. You gotta find the little ones.
Can you get them?
You remember where we're at here.
Yeah, I got all. I think I have everything you guys. Yeah.
You get all the goodies, just find them.
Yeah.
for what we're for what we're going, you know, for what we're using. These 2 boxes are more us. But I just have one thing to ask if I can have.
No.
It's a Christmas one there. So yeah, I would say these 2 boxes are.
Hey, sweetie, how much for these 2 boxes?
2 boxes of rabbit? What are they like?
10. Then what do you want for the boxes of rabbits? A box of rabbits?
There's 2, he wants these 2, so how much for both of these boxes? This box and this box?
We take them both.
Say $75.
What do y'all?
No?
No.
What do you want?
That's $10.
Huh?
I'm $10.
$10 for both of those boxes?
Yeah.
I'll give you $10 for that box.
Oh, careful. You ready for this one?
No, I'll be good for that one.
Throw in a pillow? I'm just kidding, I'll do
Throw in the pillow? Sure, I'll throw in the pillow.
I'll do 10 on it. I'm gonna buy more for you.
Okay.
You want that when you got me?
I mean, I understand we got a bargain, but you gotta cut me some slack here. I mean, I'm trying to cut you some, so you need to cut
I'm
me some.
trying to make it easy on you guys. We can have a 1-day sale and be done.
Yeah.
Call it quits early tomorrow, go get a nice dinner.
So you don't want the phone?
Well, hey, that would be nice. I'll tell you what, just make me an offer for everything in here then.
There you go, exactly, there you go.
Call it a day.
We've just done 2 of these in the last 6 months with family and.
Yeah, we have. Same thing with bears, I don't know if you want to see bears. That's up to you, I know the rabbits, it's rabbit season, but we'll make math with bears, but I found the one I wanted, so
It's a pile.
I'm good. You don't have any other Coca-Cola bears down there?
I don't think so.
I didn't see any more Coca-Cola bears. No, there's
Maybe
right.
they'll change their mind and come back and get the book.
These folks already got the home
Whatever
show.
your, yeah, we'll be here tomorrow.
Yeah, unless somebody comes in and buys the
Write
house out
everything
today.
out.
Which that would be nice, but you know.
How much
You
is
never
this?
know.
Hi.
Hi.
How much do you have on the records?
Send what we sell the records
Go to
for.
the bank before we can say.
How many are there?
Would you do 4? I'm at the end of my rope.
Sure, if that's all you got, I'll do it for 4. We took our last $4. You can go, there's a bank right down the road, you can go and come back.
17.
How many do you have?
17. Yeah.
Let's see. Let me figure this out real quick.
I'm gonna get some of her wrap out there in the garage.
Yeah, that's fine. How about 35?
35. Basically $2 a piece. Yeah, I'd probably pass on them. How about the pin?
The pen?
Yeah.
Oh, it's got the 7-Up thing on it. $1 for the pen.
Sure. We should do 25 on the records.
Oh, sorry.
Hey, Mike, you wanna carry this out for me?
No,
No.
30.
And then you wanna come back in?
There's the pin.
We can.
How much is the pin was $1?
$1.
Oh, that's pretty heavy, Mike, I can carry it.
Thank you very much.
So are you buying the records or not?
No, I was gonna put them back for you.
What did you,
How about 28?
what did I say, 30?
Yeah.
What did you say?
25.
Yeah.
Bill, 28.
28? Yeah, that's fine, I'll do that.
Okay, there you go, I got all the rules.
Oh, Chicago. That's a good one.
see. Do you have change for that?
What do you got here? 40, 28. 30, 35, 40.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Excuse me. Thank you very much.
Did you find everything you needed?
I found it all. Thanks, man.
Good.
Have a good one.
Was she good to you?
Yeah, not bad.
Alright, good.
It'll work.
I'll look at this.
All right, guys, we are back from that garage sale. Only got a couple things to show you this time. Picked up this cross pin with this little 7-Up logo on it. Just thought that was really cool. It was $1. I love picking up things like this. They're usually cheap at garage sales and estate sales and stuff. And once in a while, you'll be surprised at what something like this will sell for. So that was a pretty cool little pickup for $1. Now, the stack of records here, there's 17 total. And it may have seemed like I was kind of nickeling and diming, but here's what. That stack of records, basically to me, is just antique booth filler. Most of them I'll put a price tag of $5 on. There may be a couple that I could charge as much as like 6 or 8. Lots like this I can usually find locally for like less than $1 a piece, and that was kind of where I wanted to be. I promise I wasn't mad or anything. They can honestly charge whatever they want. It's cool. It's just the deal wasn't going to work for me, and I was going to put them up. But then they came back with the $28, and I mean it was close enough, I guess. So I went ahead and grabbed them. It's just a deal I wasn't going to lose any sleep over if I didn't get it. But we grabbed it. There's a few bucks to be made. So real quickly, we have a couple Billy Joels in there, Grand Funk Railroad, the Doobie Brothers, Bread, Manna, Air Supply, the Christmas album, Blues Brothers, Willie Nelson Stardust. That might be about the best one because it's got like the hype stickers and everything still on it. Ricky Lee Jones, Waylon and Willie, Elton John Greatest Hits, the Big Chill soundtrack, Six Flags Present the Great Rock and Roll Time Machine, Willie Nelson's Greatest Hits, Chicago, Waylon's Greatest Hits, lastly the Moody Blues. So as you can see, $5 to $8 filler inventory, nothing special. If you pay well under $2 a piece, at least in my area, there's money to be made, so it was a good enough deal. All right, guys, that is all I got for you this time. As always, I want to thank you so much for watching the video, but until next time, stay safe, stay healthy. Love ya. Bye. When they hear that cha-ching and they all look at me, I guess they'll know I'm buying this crap.